In this video, I am going to show you how to use the voice typing tool in Google Docs to write your next book or blog. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Hey there, my name is Aurelia Winn. I am the owner and operator of Winn Publications. Welcome back to Winn Publications on YouTube. If you are interested in learning more about website design or publishing, go ahead and click subscribe now. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to use the voice typing tool in Google Docs. It's quick and easy, so be sure to stay till the end to catch it all. From the Google homepage, go to the top right corner and then click this square that will show you Google's featured apps. From there, click on the blue document vector that says Docs right below it. If you are starting a new book or blog, click the plus symbol that says blank right below it. This will open a new document. From the navigation menu that's on the top left, click Tools and a drop-down menu should come down. Scroll down and then select Voice Typing. Then click on the mic and begin talking. You may also press Command-Shift-S at the same time to toggle the voice typing widget. If you use the keyboard to toggle the widget, all you have to do is start talking into the computer and it will begin to transcribe it. And that's it. For more information on how to use the voice typing tool in Google Docs, head to winnpublications.com/blog. Otherwise, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, if you want to know where I got the shirt that I wore in the beginning of this video, head to loveandthuglife.com/shop and get yours today. Also, be sure to tell them that Winn Publications sent you.